Good afternoon, my name is Frank Conteski. I'm here to walk you through our 2020 Scout 215 XSF. We have this boat equipped with a white Yamaha 200 horsepower. To the starboard side, you have your swim ladder with entryway onto the boat. Rod holders across the back with a couple cup holders. You have your live well. Scout offers the option to have a transom seat there. Bench seat, probably fits about 2 people. Folds and stows away super easily. Underneath that seat you have access to your bilge. Bilge is fully finished. You can clean it out. You'll never get any black mold or anything in there. Underneath your helm bench, you have a Yeti cooler, cup holders, and rocket launchers across the back. Moving to the helm, you have a Garmin XSF touchscreen, fusion radio, switching, places to hold your cell phone, and also charge them. On the port side here, you have a nice head area for a 21-foot boat. It's a rather large head. This is equipped with the porta potty, but you can also get a pump out head. You also have access behind your helm as well. Moving to the bow, the boat offers some nice seating arrangements. Table is equipped right now. The table can be stored underneath your large cooler and fish box storage. There's also storage underneath all 3 seats with access to your anchor locker. Table easily turns. Get access to your anchor and your bow cleat. Boat has cup holders all around, JL audio speakers. For more information on this boat or any other boat that MarineMax offers, contact me at 732-330-2609. Thank you.